Hey guys, it's Lisa over at ZNM Performance. Today is day 5 of having my 2023 M3. So far, I like her a lot, but there are a few things that I still am getting used to, such as the iDrive 8 screen, and the functionality of that, as well as the suspension and steering is a little loose for me compared to my E92 M3. But today I will be doing my first mod out of a few that I have planned. I'm going to have one of my guys actually do the install for me because I'm a little weak and I can't do it. But I will be doing the M Performance shift knob. I did do it in the, I guess you would call it the stainless steel. I didn't really want to do the carbon fiber shift knob because I do have the anthracite dash and center console area. Personally going to keep the carbon fiber to the outside, like the grill, the mirror caps, stuff like that. Don't really enjoy carbon fiber on the inside, but let's get to it. Alright, so like I just mentioned, here's the M Performance shift knob. It's used as a struggle. So this is the M Performance shift knob. Like I said, it's stainless steel looking, and then compared to my dash, which is anthracite, goes better. And this is the stock shifter that I do not like. As many of you know, I do have this on my E92 M3. Love it. Feels great while I shift compared to that one. Alright, so now we're going to start. Just got to pop off the boot first. This is the part that I cannot do because I'm too weak. And it's off. So now we just have to pop off the shift knob from the boot and then replace it with the M Performance one. You might have to just use a pick to pick it off. Just be careful with the tab so that it doesn't break. Alright, so now that we have the boot off with the knob, you're going to need a pick and a screwdriver to take off the knob from the boot. You're going to need to release that tab right there in order to get the knob off. There's another tab as well that you need to press in as well. And now that that's released, the shift knob is out, and this one can go in. I'm going to do a little swap. Boot goes back on. Gets snapped back in. Gotta just like hit it. There you go. Perfecto. Now the shifter knob goes on. Make sure it's in the right direction. It'd be funny if it was upside down. And you're going to need to put a little bit of glue on the collar here so that it attaches to the knob so that it doesn't detach itself while you're driving. And she's on. Super excited. So much prettier. This is just not it. Sorry, BMW, but look at the difference. So much prettier. Goes now with the anthracite. Alright, thanks for watching.